Do you really believe your job is secure? Because one email, one meeting, one decision behind the closed doors can change everything. I know this because I have seen it happen. And if you are feeling stuck, scared, or silently dreaming of something more, you are not alone. Let's talk about why job security is a myth and what you can do today to reclaim your freedom. Job security used to mean our parents stayed with one company over 30 years and retired with a pension. Today, people are laid off in video calls. AI is replacing entire departments. Loyalty is no longer rewarded. You can work overtime, hit every target and still be seen as replaceable. What's more dangerous? We have been taught to play it safe, to trade time for money, to fear risk more than regret. But let me ask you this, if you can be replaced in 10 minutes, if your boss decides your role is no longer needed, then is that really security? I have lived both sides. I was in a job, a good one, but I always felt a pit in my stomach, like I was chasing someone else's dream, not mine. I was working hard but not building anything that truly belonged to me. It wasn't until I took a step back during lockdown that then I realized if I didn't create something of my own, I would always be dependent on someone else's decision. That's when my journey into business began. I didn't quit overnight. I built something on the side and now I help others do the same. Here is the truth. Security doesn't come from a company. It comes from your skills, your creativity and your ability to generate income on your terms. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow, but you can start building a side business, a personal brand, a digital product, an online store, a community, and don't let anyone tell you it's too late or it's too risky. The real risk, staying stuck in a system that rewards obedience over ownership. Start small, validate your ideas, learn how to sell, how to communicate, how to market, because once you do that, you are never truly dependent on a job again. I built apps like Grow On, TickMac to help others simplify their business. I created platforms like Chainum Gold and wrote books like Corporate to CEO and Shine Bright to share what I have learned. And today I teach professionals how to start their own gold business and create a life of freedom, purpose and profit. If I can do it as a working mom of two, starting with a zero background, so can you. The question is, will you wait until it's urgent or will you start while it's still optional? Don't wait to be replaced to realize your value, your skills, your story, your potential. It all matters. The best investment you can make is in yourself. And if you are ready to make that step, visit my website jembhavna.com. Let's build your plan B before your plan A fails you, because job security isn't real but self security is.